Ever wondered how space missions keep their lifeline to the International Space Station, ISS, running smoothly? Well, tonight marks a pivotal moment in space logistics as SpaceX and Northrop Grumman unveil a game-changer, the debut of the Cygnus XL cargo spacecraft. This isn't just another launch. It's the first of its kind since 2024, and a bold step forward in resupplying our orbiting laboratory. And if you're curious about what makes this mission so special, keep reading. Spoiler, it's not just about the cargo, it's about the future of space travel. Scheduled for liftoff this evening, September 14th at 6:11 p.m. EDT, 22:11 GMT from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The Falcon 9 rocket will carry Northrop Grumman's upgraded Cygnus XL to the ISS. Both SpaceX and NASA will stream the launch live, starting 30 minutes before liftoff. Space.com will share the feed if available, so you can watch the action unfold in real time. This mission, designated NG-23, is the 23rd cargo delivery for Northrop Grumman under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services contract. But it's been a rocky road to get here. Originally slated for January 2025, the previous mission, NG-22, faced delays due to avionics issues and was ultimately canceled in March after a damaged Cygnus spacecraft during transport rendered it unusable. Now, with NG-23, we're witnessing the return of the Cygnus program, and with a major upgrade. The Cygnus XL isn't just a name change, it's a full-scale evolution. While older models could carry around 8,500 pounds, 3,855 kilograms of supplies, this new version boosts capacity to 11,000 pounds, 4,990 kilograms. What's in the payload? NASA highlights some fascinating experiments, including materials for growing semiconductor crystals in microgravity and equipment to test cryogenic fuel tank designs. Oh, and there's a UV light system to combat microbial growth in water systems, and even supplies to produce pharmaceutical crystals that could one day treat diseases like cancer. But here's where it gets controversial. The Cygnus XL isn't the only player in the resupply game. Russia's Progress spacecraft and SpaceX's own Dragon capsule each have their own quirks. While Progress and Cygnus are designed to burn up in Earth's atmosphere after their missions, Dragon is reusable, splashing down in the ocean for recovery and reflights. Does this mean reusability is the future of space logistics? Or will expendable systems like the Cygnus XL still have a place? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. The Cygnus XL, affectionately named SS William Willie McCool after a NASA astronaut who perished in the 2003 Columbia disaster, is set to reach the ISS on Wednesday, September 17th at 6:35 a.m. EDT, 10:35 GMT. Unlike some automated docking systems, it'll be captured by the station's robotic Canadarm2 arm, a process NASA will stream live starting at 5 a.m. EDT, 0900 GMT. Once attached, the Cygnus XL will remain at the ISS until March 2026, when it'll make its final descent. Meanwhile, SpaceX's Dragon continues to set the standard for reusability, proving that innovation in space isn't just about reaching new heights. It's about doing it smarter, faster, and more sustainably. So, what do you think? Is the Cygnus XL's increased payload enough to justify its expendable design? Or will reusable systems like Dragon dominate the future of space resupply? Share your take in the comments below. For more updates on this mission and other space news, join our space forums or drop us a line at community@space.com. And if you're eager to dive deeper into the science behind these missions, check out Michael Wall's work at space.com. A seasoned space writer with a background in evolutionary biology and wildlife biology, Michael has been chronicling the cosmos since 2010. His book, Out There, explores the search for alien life, and you can follow his latest projects on Twitter. Happy exploring!